Hello dear. If you are working on any construction project, you have joined recently any contracting or consulting firm, and you have joined them in position of draftsman, and you have joined that company in a drafting position, and you want to become more productive, you want to become more valuable, then this video is for you. I will share with you 5 tips. If you follow these 5 tips, then you will be more productive and you will be outstanding draftsman in your technical department. Okay. Tip number 1, you have to listen instructions of your seniors carefully. What I mean from this one, this is your tip number 1. When your seniors are going to give you some assignments, okay, so they are going to tell you to prepare any shop drawing, any kind of shop drawing, so you have to listen them carefully. Don't worry about this one, they will explain you happily, okay. And what will be the advantage of this one? You will not waste your time, because if you did not listen that instruction properly, maybe they want you to do something else and we are giving them production differently, okay. So listen your seniors instructions carefully. If you have any doubt, ask them one time, two time, they will explain you. Once your mind is clear, then you go and you start your working. Now tip number 2, plan then work. First plan then work. What I mean from this one, if you want to prepare some sharp drawing related to your peer dimensional drawing, your bridge dimensional drawing, if you want to prepare your profile, your trial trenches, any drawing you want to prepare, okay, you have to plan first. Okay, I want to do these tasks, divide your task. Okay, which task if I will complete first, and then the second, then the third. Okay, because in drawing there are different parts, you have to define first. For example, if you ask me if I'm working on your place, so how I will do, the very first thing is I will do very little work in my system. The first thing which I will do, I will go and I will, the first thing I will see, okay, the drawing which I am going to prepare, that drawing I have to print on which size, which paper size, which scales. The very first thing what I will do, I will go immediately in my AutoCAD layout tab and I will put my as a X reference or as a copy paste or as a block, whatever. I will put my template over there. I will attach my template there and I will mention over there which drawing I'm going to, drawing title and everything, viewport I will create. Very little working I will do, very little. Like for example, maybe I will import some survey data, or maybe I will start my profiling. Okay, from where to where I have to create my shop drawing. Okay, boundaries, limits, and then I will come again in my layout and I will set my viewport. Why I will do this, and I will tell you the reason. The reason is, once I'm working in my AutoCAD, okay, or in MicroStation, whatever, okay, there are so many drafting software, but currently we are taking as a reference only AutoCAD. Once we are working in that one, what will happen? If I have defined extents of my drawing, in which area I'm going to work, and I have drawn outer or some rough areas I have defined, I will come back in my layout tab and I will go in my viewport. I will create my viewport and I will adjust that area which I want to take print, and I will set scale of my viewport and I will see if I'm going to give annotation of my project. Okay, and then at that time I will decide what annotation height I have to decide. Until unless I don't define viewport scale, how I will come to know which annotation height size I'm going to print. I'm talking about right now about CAD standards. Okay, so this is the first thing. First plan your work, and then the first planning you will be, I will put my template over there, my viewport I will set over there, and then I will go working. For the working, I will go for the first step. I will plan first, I will do this task, then this task, then this task. So this is plan how you can produce that drawing in less time with good productivity. Okay, in less time with more production you can give this one. This is up to you, because maybe first you will say I will do my horizontal offset, vertical offsets. First I will do circle elements. Okay, then I will do for the pavements, and then at the last I will show just for example I'm saying, if you are preparing one cross section longitudinal profile, so you will say, okay, the first I'm going to go for my grid lines, then I will show my longitudinal profile and my clashing services, everything. So it means first that thing has to be in your mind. then on the paper, then on the drawing. Okay, this is the second thing, plan and then work. The third thing is next three moves. So it means whatever working you are doing right now, you are using your commands. Okay, AutoCAD commands you are using. So currently whatever you are doing, what we are going to do the next three steps, which next three commands after this one step which you are doing right now, you are going to give that command to your computer. That has to be in your mind continuously. Whatever you are doing, 3 to 4 command has to be run in your mind. What will happen? Okay, at early stages, once you are a fresh engineer, fresh draftsman, at early stages maybe it will be a little bit hard, but with this intention, if you have this intention with you, you can improve this skill. Whatever you are doing right now, task on your computer in AutoCAD, the next three moves has to be continuously in your mind. Okay, then after doing this one, I'm going to do this one, then this one, then this one. So it means continuously this circle has to be in your mind. At least 2 to 3 commands or 3 to 4 command has to be in your mind. It means once you will get this habit, so it means now you are a good planner. Now you can plan your drawings very well, and now you know there will be no hesitation, there will be no stop. So it means your both hands are working continuously. You are going to become a pro, a professional draftsman. Okay, so these are the things. It will not come like within 2 3 days. It will take few weeks to get good command on this philosophy or this mindset or this grip of your mind, grip of your hands, everything. It will take few weeks. But if this intention is not in your mind, you want to improve yourself in such a way, then believe me, it will it this practice this what I will say, not practice, this capability or this credibility is not coming to you. This expertise will not come if you will not try this one. Okay, the fourth point which I want to share with you, which is very important, which is very important. Okay, and that is use proper CTB. Use proper CTB. We call this one plots. We call this one as a plot style table also. CTB, pen setting, pen assignment. Okay, this is your fourth number point. If you prepare your drawing very nicely, very good technically speaking, you have done very nice work technically speaking, I'm saying. Okay, but your presentation, your printout, that is very poor, that is very bad quality. Your line thickness, your line weight, very blurry. Okay, there is no sharpness where you want to have some thick lines, that lines are not properly thick. Where you want to choose your thin line, you have not chosen this one. This is point number one. And in the same point number two, you can adopt CTB color assignments also. For example, you have used, just for the CAD purpose, you have used in your AutoCAD yellow color also, different color you have used in your drawing, but you want to print that colors not as a yellow. You want to say, okay, wherever in my drawing I have yellow color, please while printing make it black, make it red, make it whatever. So in drawing your color is yellow. I'm just giving you one example. But the same drawing, when you will print, if you are using CTB and you have assigned this color assignment to your CTB, that yellow color is going to print as a black, as a red, whatever assignment you are going to deal. Okay, sharpness of your lines, thickness of your lines, style of your line, everything you can control from CTB. Okay, and then the last point, that is fifth number point, and that is cross check before submission. Once you are happy, once you are satisfied, you are saying, okay, everything is done, now my shop drawing is ready, everything I have completed, don't be hurry. Just take a draft printout of your drawing. Okay, take a draft print, put it on your table and check by yourself before giving it to your senior for your checking, your technical engineer, your engineering manager, your senior draftsman. Before giving this drawing to him, take printout, put on your table and see, is there any overlapping of your text. Okay, overlapping of your text. Maybe if you have different sheets of your proper match lines are not mentioned over there, some changes are missing, some text is overlapping, some color is not good, maybe you forgot to assign proper CTB and still there are some yellow lines, so it means they are not going to be readable or visible. Okay, so all these things, and also these are presentation of point of view, but now you have to check technically also. You have to check your levels, you have to review your profiles, you have to manually few calculations you have to check, and you have to cross check. Good, as per my profiles, as per my all information what I wanted to prepare, that is okay. Now take a final printout, go to your senior, show them your drawing, and hopefully there will be no more error. If you will adopt this philosophy, if you will adopt these 5 points, so what will happen? If you will adopt this on for a few weeks or few months, believe me, you are going to be valuable in your company. You will be outstanding person, because whatever you are submitting to your senior, he knows this person, whenever it's coming to me, he is doing his homework properly. Whatever instructions I pass on him, he listened properly, he did properly, and he's presenting me in very nice way. Bonus tip, last bonus tip: whenever you are submitting your drawings to your your senior, and then later on your consultant, and it's coming to you, maybe it will come your approved status, rejected, or approved. Whatever drawing status came to you, keep proper record of your revisions. And whenever you need to revise your drawing, save as, always save as your drawing, and then make modification in that drawing. And whenever you are putting that, when you are saving that drawings in your server or in your computer, make nice folders and put in a proper sequence, nice words, okay, revision 0 date this one, revision 1 date this one, okay. And then also manage all your submissions, at least your submissions manage in Excel sheet. Have a proper record in Excel sheet, and use your hyperlinks over there also. Whenever you will click on that hyperlink, automatically that drawing will open it will be in front of you. So this hyperlink will save you a lot of time. This was a bonus tip, means keep proper record of your all revisions, all drawings. This was a bonus tip. I hope these 5 tips and plus with the bonus tip, it will be helpful for you. Wish you great practice. Take your good care. Bye.